गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। और मनीष जायसवाल एस्पायरिंग लाइफ से आप सबके लिए फिर से एक इंटरव्यू सेशन जो कि अब कॉलेज के अंदर भी हो रही है वो लेकर के आया हूँ। और मेरे साथ स्टूडेंट हैं इंडिया से जो यूएसटीसी में पढ़ रहे हैं, जिसको अभी IAHS इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ अप्लाइड हेल्थ साइंस बोलते हैं। यूएसटीसी नाम पुराना है और अभी भी सब उससे पहचानते हैं। हॉस्पिटल वगैरह मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं, बट एक बच्चे जो इंडिया से पढ़ने के लिए आए हैं उसका एक फीडबैक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो पहले उसका इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, उनका डिटेल्स लेते हैं। प्लीज़ इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Hi everyone, I am Anas Hassan from second year medical student of IHS, and
वेयर आर यू?
I am from Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and I came last year. Yeah, and
So why did you choose Bangladesh, leaving India, and what was the reason? There are so many countries students are going. Why Bangladesh?
the first of all, the main reason for the Bangladesh is it's more like an Indian continent. Like it's the weather and everything, the foods and everything. That's why I chose the Bangladesh. And the second thing, the studies over here, it's very good, and they are as same as like Indian. The books we use, they are as used in India, the BDC and all. That's the main reason of it.
How was the practical exposure? Because many students come to Bangladesh because this is the country where you actually get to study on real bodies, not the plastic bodies. Is it true?
Yeah, that's true. That's one of the main reason for Bangladesh to come, because we use real bodies, and it's very good exposure in the hospitals, as we are not retained or something. As yeah, like हमें मिल जाता है सब कुछ।
तो अभी बांग्लादेश में आने के बाद 1 साल से आप यहाँ पर हैं। आफ्टर कोविड शायद आपका फर्स्ट विदाउट कोविड बैच रहा। कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ एजुकेशन, टीचर्स इंटरेक्शन, सीनियर्स इंटरेक्शन? हाउ वाज इट? रैगिंग वगैरह हुई थी? अब अभी तो नए बच्चे आ रहे हैं, हाउ इज ऑल दैट?
No, the first of all, when you come to a new place, it's always tough. ऐसा तो नहीं बोलूँगा कि बहुत आसान रहेगा, but being in the Bangladesh, it's very familiar to the Indian continent. So the language is also there. The language is not as much as hard if you go to any other country. It's as same as Hindi, and the food is good. More about the ragging, you asked me ragging, especially on my behalf. I didn't got any ragging. That's what true. The seniors are very good, and the studies are good. Yeah, the teachers are very good, very intellectual, and yeah, it's true.
Like in each department, almost 8 to 10 teachers, 12 teachers are there for each department.
Yeah, everyone is for example, our batch is 80 students, right? So among the 80 students, for the tutorial classes, we are divided among 20 students each. So we have 4 groups, and 4 groups have each tutorial teacher, and they will also teach you. The professors are there; they will teach you in the batches, and especially if you are having any problems among the tutorial special topics, they will give you a special attention.
आज USTC IAHS जिसको आप बोलते हैं, कैंपस में हूँ और कुछ स्टूडेंट से इंटरेक्शन चल रही थी, तो उसमें एक और हमारे बहुत अच्छे स्टूडेंट है जिसके साथ इंटरेक्ट हो रहा है। सो आई वुड लाइक यू टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट।
I am Sahib Mashok from the Kashmir, India, studying in the USTC here in the second year student.
So one thing I wanted to share, because a lot of interview will not tell you, that government of Bangladesh is also trying to cut short 1 to 3 months to make the season back on time. So one point normally takes 18 months to complete this first prof examination, which they are doing in 14 to 15 months slowly, so that they can come back on track. So the 60-month course can be finished in maybe 56 or 57 months, so that the students who are coming new can come back on time when the session starts. So this COVID delay can be adjusted. So this is one thing which I wanted to share, and this is the proof that he confirmed the same.
That's better. I think the session will be on the time, and that will be beneficial for the students and for the newcomers, because they will be on the time and they will leave the Bangladesh at time. Better.
What is your favorite subject among the 3 you have studied?
Among the three, my best favorite subject is the physiology, because I like physiology and my aim is to become the pediatrician. That's why I like the physiology. But according to the subjects, every department here is very good, and every department practices us and makes us very aware and very clear and very preparable about the prof. Because the studies, the item system in the Bangladesh, it's not in the other countries. It's best. It's only, I think, the item system, the card system, and the term system, it is in Bangladesh. By this thing, MBBS is the vast study, and it's the vast subject and the toughest subject. We are going to revise by the items, by the terms, by the cards. It's best for us, and I think this is very beneficial, and we keep the things memorable by this thing, by the items, by the terms, and by the cards. It is the best thing. That curriculum in the Bangladesh item system, I think it's the best ever in the Bangladesh.
And wish you all the best, and you come back to India and serve the people, because I know all the students who are coming to Bangladesh, they do a lot of sacrifice. Like just imagine what kind, coming from away from the family, different culture, different language, different food, still they are struggling and saying that they are studying well. So this is the positive energy which we all must have. We see that the satisfaction and the happiness is there in their eyes. I don't have to give you the words to prove that how happy he is and how satisfied he is with the education and overall support.